Sizmek is built on a premise that when you speak to advertisers and agencies, they want four main things. The first one is simplicity. The second one is they want more transparency. They also want more efficiency. And last but not least, they want to control the campaigns. But what they also all aligned is that they do not want to have two things. The first one is they don't want to create a Frankenstein in their ad tech stack, and they also don't want to rely on an ad tech stack that is provided to them by a media provider. And on that premise, on those four reasons what they need and two things what they don't need, we then came to the conclusion that by offering them an ad server, a DSP and a DMP combined with P39 contextual classification verification technologies and powered by an AI, right? We have a very strong solution that enables us to provide the largest independent buy-side stack to advertisers and agencies. You can even go a step further and think about what we can actually do with those components, and the biggest component is in the center, which is data. So think about our ad server. Our ad server, we stay on top of every single media plan. We collect a tremendous amount of data about campaigns, impressions, clicks, conversions, you name it. You then bundle that with all the consumer data that you can collect using our DMP. You have then contextual data about P39. We know whether a red ad performs better than a blue ad because we actually serve the creative, and we have the cost there in our DSP. So we basically have all 5 data elements which are key to optimize a campaign in one single stack. We put an AI on top of that, and we utilize that for media execution and creative optimization, right? And that's really a very powerful positioning in the marketplace, which I think we are unique. We did the Rockefeller Commission in September of last year, and so we spent the second or the fourth quarter of last year on bringing both organizations together. And I think we have basically done 95% of that. So it's really now one organization under one leadership team. Everyone is integrated, one sales organization, one operations organization, right? Who are all now working together on this full stack premise. 2018 is now all about how can we actually now bring all that in front of our clients, and how can we help them again on the campaigns in terms of simplicity, efficiency, transparency, and control to grow their own businesses. So 2018 is really focused on clients, agencies, and advertisers, and help them grow their business, and as a consequence also helping to grow our business.